everyone, so in today's video I'll be sharing with you some tips and tricks of how I oil my hair and my hair shampooing routine. Now most of these techniques guys, they are very basic, but some of them are a little bit twisted. So these can actually help you in preventing damage to the hair. It can also help in reducing hair fall to a huge extent. So I'll just discuss all that with you today. But before moving ahead guys, a very important disclaimer: this video is not sponsored. Nobody has asked me to do this video. Nobody has paid me to do this video. I will be using a lot of products. Actually all the products I'm using are from Wow, and I know how this will look, but I'm just going to clarify. I found Wow products myself when I was browsing through Nykaa. I was looking for paraben free and organic hair care products, because I was just like willing to try something of that sort out, and I found these on Nykaa. I have talked about this in my Nykaa haul video, the last one, and I even asked my viewers. I actually asked you guys if you want a video on this topic or not, and you guys agreed. So this is a viewer requested video. This is definitely not sponsored, because you can see the comment section. Okay, I just want to clarify everything very clearly. So yes, with all the disclaimers done, let's look at my hair oiling and hair shampooing tips, and let's get started. Now typically I will start by oiling my hair just a few hours before shampooing my hair. If you want, you can also apply hair oil at night just before your bedtime. One very quick tip that I want to mention here guys is that please do not leave your hair oil on for more than 12 to 14 hours, because what happens is that after you have oiled your hair, the hair becomes a little bit greasy, right? Even if it's a non-greasy hair oil, a little bit of the hair will become greasy. So it tends to attract more dust, more pollution. So don't leave it on for more than 12 to 14 hours and apply this just before bedtime, so that there's less pollution touching your hair and there can be less damage to your hair. Now when you apply the hair oil, start by first applying it on your scalp. You can also dab it using a cotton ball or anything that you like. I personally love that this 10-in-1 miracle hair oil, like I just discussed, is from Wow. It comes in a pump bottle, so I can directly pump this onto my scalp, which actually avoids a huge amount of wastage. So apply the hair oil on your scalp and very delicately just start moving in a downwards position, vertically towards the end of your hair. What I really want to mention over here is that it's very important to oil your scalp, but it is also important to mention the tips of your hair, because this is where the hair is the most dry, most damaged, and this is where the split ends happen. So you apply the hair on your scalp like this, keep moving on, and then also apply a little bit extra at the tips just to prevent any split ends. And then take a hot towel, which you can very easily make by dipping a towel in hot water or putting a damp towel in microwave, and wrap this over your head. And in case you guys are wondering about the hair oil, just very quickly I want to mention this hair oil. By the way, it's very good if you are having a hair fall problem or a dandruff problem. Like Gaurav, since he has actually colored his hair, his hair has become very rough and very difficult to manage. Plus he's having hair fall, which I think is very common, whenever you color your hair. So this hair oil has actually helped him a lot. Even I'm using it, even he's using it. So I'll list all the details in the description box below. I'll also put some links in the description box below for this and the other products that I'm using right now. Now to shampoo your hair, the first thing you absolutely need to do is to wet your hair with warm water. Warm water actually opens up the pores of your scalp, which allows for a better cleaning procedure. Another very important tip that I want to share with you all, especially if you have very long hair or extremely dry and frizzy hair, is to apply a little bit of conditioner before your shampoo. Apply the conditioner only to the tips of your hair and leave it like that for about 5 minutes. Applying conditioner to the tips of the hair is also a great way of boosting shine. So start with the roots of the hair, because this is where it's most oily, and then gradually move to the tips. Do not apply too much shampoo to the tips of your hair, because this is where the hair is usually quite already dry. Now there are two very important things that I want to point out over here guys, that when you shampoo your hair, please do not pile all your hair up to the top and just mix your hair all up, because what happens over there guys is that it makes your hair tangle up very badly. And also while shampooing, your hair roots are actually very weak, so you don't want to tangle up your hair and pull at it and tug at it. You actually want to be very gentle. And number two, when you're shampooing, you start with the scalp and move in vertical directions like this. Try to use circular motions, and I know how tough that is. Sometimes even I can't follow the same advice, but try to use gentle vertical strokes so that your hair doesn't get tangled up easily. Once you're done with the shampoo, you can rinse it off very comfortably with normal to room temperature water. Squeeze off all the excess water from the hair before applying conditioner. The hair conditioner that I'm using here contains organic virgin coconut oil, avocado oil and wheat protein. And in all honesty guys, this is probably one of the best conditioners I have tried till date. So take a generous amount of this conditioner And apply this in the lower 2/3 of your hair without touching the scalp. And leave it like this for about 4 to 5 minutes. After this, take a wet towel and wipe off the excess conditioner from your hair. And stand in the shower for just a little while for the final rinse. And after this rinse, please do not shampoo your hair again for the second time because this will strip the hair of its natural moisture. And now that you're done with the shampooing and conditioning, it's time for the hair serum. Or like in this case, a hair revitalizer, which I personally feel is a much better option because not only does it help in detangling your hair, but it's actually a very good, a very beneficial thing for your hair. So if you have extremely damaged hair, try to go for a hair revitalizer instead of a serum because it'll definitely do you more good. So this is something which you can apply throughout the length of your hair and also a little bit on your scalp. Just make sure you apply only a few drops so that it doesn't become too heavy for your hair because this is something you will not wash off, you actually leave this on. Guys, if you have any hair hacks of your own to share, any tips and tricks for hair oiling, hair shampooing or anything for that matter, please feel free to write them in the comment section below. It will definitely help me and the rest of my viewers. With that, I'm going to end this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, follow me on my social media, all the links have been shared in the description box below. And don't forget to come back to this channel for more. Thank you so much for watching guys, and this is me Prachi signing off now.